Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you download the latest version of Google Chat in 2024. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to get the latest version of this Google Chat application, you have many options. You can go into your Play Store and directly search for Google Chat into here, and you will get the latest version of Google Chat into your Play Store. If you don't have that privilege or you can't do this, you can just simply go to your web browser, and after going into your browser, simply search for Google Chat latest version. Then, after going into here, you will get all of the possible links and solutions of your issue. First one is the link from Google Play. You can just simply tap into this and install the Google Chat's latest version, and after that you can use the third-party providers, which I don't suggest mostly, but you can use that too if it's secured and safe. And after that you can get a lot of options here. If you need some other options to help you with the latest version, you can also put other keywords into search, such as 2024, or if it's already 2025, you can use that, and that will really help you. This way, you will always get the latest version of the application into your own device. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.